there's the tire. Now I got a flat tire, had to limp it on home, just like the song. I think that was Charlie Daniels' song where they had to limped it on down to the right in front of a place called the Dewdrop Inn. It wasn't a filling station in town, in sight. Wasn't a filling station in sight, so I limped it on down to the Dewdrop, right in front of the Dewdrop Inn. Whatever. Here's the tire. You can see that the tire is separated from the rim. Now you can try to put air in there, but you can't. If you try to put air in there, the air just goes out. It's never ever going to fill with air. What you've got to do is you've got to put that tire back onto that rim. Now if you've got a super high power, high compression air compressor, it might work, but nobody's got that at home. So what you do is you spray a little carbon choke cleaner in there. I've heard WD-40 works too, but I'm going to use carbon choke cleaner. Now again, I'm going to caution everybody, and this isn't for everybody. If you haven't worked with fire or things that go boom, or if you're not familiar with this kind of thing, don't do it. And actually I don't suggest you do this at all. But if you've been around for a long time and you feel confident and you're working in an outside where there's no fumes will hurt you, or I'm going to do this as safely as possible. I don't want to suggest you do this. This is just something I'm going to do, and if you do it, great, but I'm not telling you to do this. In fact, I'm telling you not to, but I'm going to let you watch me do it. Anyway, I'm going to put this tire back on. I'm going to spray a little bit of carbon choke cleaner in there, and then I'm going to ignite it. Simple as that. And when the air gets hot and expands, it pops that tire right back in the rim. So we're going to see, you're going to watch me do it. Hopefully I won't kill myself, but you never know. So here we go. I'm going to spray a little of that in there, and then I'm going to light it, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, so first thing you do is you get some of this stuff, and then what you want to do is you want to get a stick, a long stick, preferably metal, and you want to tape a couple of matches on the end. See how I taped it on there? That's for safety. So when you ignite this thing, you ignite it at a distance, and when it blows, hopefully it won't blow the hell out of everything. It'll just ignite the tire. Now I've done this a couple of times, so I'm pretty confident about it, but I guess you never know. So anyway, here's what I've got: a long pole here with a couple of matches. So here we go. I'm going to ignite the I'm going to spray a little carb clean in there. I'm going to ignite it. If everything goes right, it'll work. So here we go. I'm going to spray it on the opposite end here. I'm going to spray it over here. And I probably used a little too much, but I did it. So now it's filling with gases in there. We're gonna get our match here, and we're gonna ignite the match. It's gonna go boom, hopefully. Here we go. That match doesn't go out. And the match went out. So you gotta be fast. Right. Let's try this again. Alright, I got the matches going. And nothing. No boom. Didn't work. So I'm not sure why it didn't work. Maybe I didn't spray enough stuff in there. But I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to stop the video, revamp here. Alright, let's try this again here. I'm going to go faster this time. God dang it. It just won't work. Come on. Come on. Burn. There's so much wind out here. It just will not burn. Look at that. I can't get the match to burn. What a son of a gun. There we go. Well, it should have popped right there. But it didn't. You know what though, that's gonna, if that popped, it would probably not help the bead at all anyway. Shoot. Alright, there it did it. There it did it, and you can see there's a hole on that side. So now, kind of scared me a little bit there, but you can see it worked. It popped the tire. It popped the tire right on the rim perfectly. And then you can see where the hole is on the right side. You know, where that's the part I have to fix. So now I've got to repair that tire, and I think I'll show that in the video too. So as you can see, it popped that right on the rim. See that? Now, normally I put in air in there right now, but I've got to put air in it.